Hello guys! Welcome to the first chapter of the course Instagram Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what Instagram is. Instagram is a social media network that is built around sharing photos and videos that you would like your followers to see. You can share photos and videos shooting in real time and upload it directly from your mobile phone to your Instagram account. More than 100 million photos and videos are shared on Instagram every day. Most Instagram users like photos that show the faces of people who are smiling. Positivity on Instagram inspires people to do something about their lives. Seeing positive and happy photos of the people they are following motivates them to get better in their lives. It's also a way for influencers to promote products they use to their followers. Followers who trust and idolize the influencer they are following will make a way to lay their hands on that product the influencer is using. Instagram has more than 500 million active users, and brands can benefit more even if 1% of these active users get aware of their brand. The brands that benefit most are the ones who are consistent about what to post, when to post, and how often, and who their target audience is. 50% of Instagram users follow at least a business to get updated with the latest promos and offers from that business. 72% of teenagers use Instagram on their mobile devices. More than one-third of active users use the platform to buy something online. Most of them are women who love to shop online. If you're a brand that offers products to women, you are more likely to increase your sales as you promote your products using the Instagram platform. Instagram is best for creating brand awareness, which is beneficial for people who don't know your brand exists yet and who have similar interests related to your brand. Instagram has millions of users, and it's possible to reach nearly any kind of target audience. Most of them are using Instagram every day to check the posts of the people they are following. Second to Facebook, Instagram is the most engaged social network. It's no wonder since Facebook bought Instagram. Browsing Instagram's platform is fun, and it attracts the younger generation. That is why they consider it hipper and trendier. We're going to talk about the difference in using your Instagram account with a web app and a mobile app. Let's get started. First, let's navigate on our Instagram web app. Once you're logged in on your Instagram web app, you can browse your Instagram feed, add comments or like the posts of people you are following and your followers. View Instagram stories, such as videos or photos that your followers have shared in this section, and follow more Instagram users here. When you check any Instagram profile, you can view the number of posts they have shared, the number of their followers, and the number of Instagram accounts they are following. This section is where you can find their posts. While in the section IGTV, these are the videos they have uploaded. And on the tagged section, these are the photos or videos that their username was tagged from others' posts. Now let's look at our Instagram mobile app. You may notice that it has the same icons with the web app as the newsfeed, notifications, and your profile. But there's an icon here that you won't find on the web app. This plus icon is only available in the mobile app. What it does is it allows anyone to upload photos or videos on their Instagram account. This icon allows you to send direct messages to your followers. When you click this icon, it allows you to mute messages, video chats, restrict, report, or block an account. This video icon lets you have a video chat with this person. Let's look at another feature. When you click the search icon, you will see the shop section here. You can browse this section to check out all the products that people are selling on Instagram. If you click on one of these images, you will be directed to their Instagram profile. When you click on the photo, there's a product tag with a price. When you click on it, you'll see the product it shows, and below, there's a View on Websites button. You will be directed to their website, and as you can see, it is a web view of the site. There's no need to open your browser to get to the site. You can use this web view to purchase the product on their site. Or you can click the X icon and go back to the Instagram mobile app. Now we're back in their Instagram profile. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the section View Shop. Browse them all to continue finding products you might be interested in purchasing. Now you know what the difference in using your Instagram account using the web app and the mobile app. We can now proceed to the next topic, which is the benefits of using Instagram for your business. We're going to talk about the benefits of using Instagram for your business. Let's get started. Instagram is free to use. Business owners or startup entrepreneurs can easily market their brand on Instagram without the need to shell out money to start promoting their products. You just need to download the mobile app or go to their website and register an account for free. You can easily set up your Instagram account and start posting content for your brand. Increase engagement. Instagram has more than 500 million active users and people use it every day. With high user engagement, you can easily reach out and connect with your customers and build a good relationship as you engage with them. It also helps you understand what your target audiences prefer. It's easy to convey your message through photos or videos. Instagram is mostly used as a visual platform to easily tell your viewers your message that you want to tell them. Be creative with the images and videos you'll post for promoting your products on Instagram. It must grab people's attention as they browse through their feed. Promote your business and generate sales. People who don't know your business yet can be aware of your brand. Instagram will help you reach your target audience for you. When they browse your profile and see your products that they might be interested in, you have targeted the right audience who are more likely to buy your product, therefore increasing your sales. Your followers can also promote your products for you by sharing their experience on Instagram. Their followers will know about your products, reaching a new audience outside your network. Increase traffic to your website. You can use your Instagram profile to send your visitors to your website. You can even direct them to a link with a landing page where you can get their contact information. Not only did you increase your website traffic, but you also let them give you their contact information. Now that you have learned these benefits of using Instagram for your business, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is the different types of Instagram users. We're going to talk about the Instagram demographics that you can expect to be one of your target markets. Most audience on Instagram are younger people who like to share photographs about their lives and want to see visuals from other people's lives. Most Instagram users are women. We all know that women love to shop, so if your target audience is women and you promote products like beauty products, clothes, bags, and accessories, you are more likely to generate more sales. Instagram is also used for chatting people. If you have friends across the world, they can use Instagram's chat feature to send a private message to their friends. Let's look at some example interests of users that you can see on Instagram. The traveler. These are the people who are interested in traveling. You can see that they post a lot of photos wherever they go. This could be their vacation that they want to share with their followers. Their passion is to go and travel to different places. As marketers, you can use these people who are professional vloggers or travel enthusiasts who have built a huge following on Instagram to target their audience and reach the people who want to travel. If you are promoting products that they could use in their travel, such as backpacks, travel equipment, gadgets or accessories for vlogging or vacation getaway deals, then their followers could be your target market. The foodie. Every post you'll see they share are photos of the food they are about to eat, from breakfast, snacks, coffee, baked goods, and dinner. Their photos are perfectly taken to make you crave the food and try it out for yourselves. You can use the food enthusiasts who have built their followers on Instagram to target their audience and reach the people who are interested in food content. Their followers who are interested in food can discover your Instagram account. You'll have a lot of people who have the same interest and use Instagram to search for recipes, new ideas, and discover new food content. As a business owner, you can target their followers if you are promoting your food products that you want to market to these types of audiences. The fitness guru. They are usually the health-conscious Instagrammers who post photos and mostly videos of their workouts in the gym or at home. These people have also built their followers on their Instagram profile. Their followers love to watch videos where they can learn how they can work out to have a healthier body. You can use these fitness experts to target their followers and reach the people who are interested in making their bodies fit and healthy. You can target these types of users for businesses with products such as workout supplements, workout clothes, and shoes. Influencers. These people have built their brand. As you may notice, They have tons of followers on their Instagram account. With every post they make, they can easily boost their engagement. If they use products and share them with their Instagram account, most of their followers would want to buy and try out the products for themselves. As business owners, influencers can help your products reach more audience and increase your sales. You can use these influencers to promote your products for you. The photographer. Most of their photos are professional-looking images or video footage. It can be a hobby or their source of income. Their content is stunning and most of their followers love to see beautiful photos and watch out for video content they produce. Their followers could look for professional photographers or videographers who they can hire for special events. If you're a freelancer who's looking for clients locally, you can target their followers and promote your services through their Instagram bio.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.